Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to play Pokemon TCG Pocket on iOS. Now, first thing you should do is simply go to the settings on your iPhone, and once you head to settings, you should search for battery and it will show you this page. And make sure to disable this option, low power mode. Once you finish, you will now have to go back to the settings, then head to general. And after that, you'll have to click on background app refresh. Then once you enter, you'll have to use either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. And after that, this option will be set to on. Now, what you should do right now is to simply head to your browser. And once you head to the browser, you should search for this website, injectapp.org. Just search for it, then enter the first option. And now you will have to search for Pokemon TCG. And here, as you can see, you will find it in the second option, Pokemon TCG Pocket from the Pokemon company. You should just click on it. Then once you click on it, you will find here the version of your iPhone, and here you can simply click on start injecting, and after that it will be downloaded to your iOS phone. Once you download it, you can simply try it and play it. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.